Question number 14. In the figure given alongside, AOB is a diameter of a circle and angle AOC is equal to 110 degree. Find angle BDC. Given AOB is the diameter and angle AOC is equal to 110 degree. Using the concept of linear pair, angle AOC plus angle COB will be 180 degree. So this angle 110 and this angle we want to find out, that is angle AOC is given as 110 degree. We want to find out angle COB. This total angle will be 180 degree. So angle COB will be 180 minus 110. This is equal to 70 degree. That is angle COB will be 70 degree. Since O is the center of the circle, angle COB is the central angle. That is, angle COB lies in the segment BC. So, same as COB, angle CDB, or we can say it as BDC, also lies in the same segment BC. So, angle AOC is 110 degree. Now we got angle BOC as 70 degree. BC is the segment of angle BOC. So same way BC is the segment of angle BDC. So what is the relation between BOC and BDC? BOC and BDC. BDC will be half angle BOC, that is angle BDC is equal to COB divided by 2. That means what? Angles at the center of the circle is twice the angle, the circumference, that is theorem number 5. So COB we got it as 70 degree. So angle BDC will be 35 degree, given that BDC as x. So we can replace BDC as x, or we can write it as x is equal to 35 degree. Question number 15. In the following figure, O is the center of the circle, angle AOB is equal to 60 degree and angle BDC is equal to 100 degree. Find angle OBC. That is given AOD is equal to 60 degree, BDC is equal to 100 degree, O is the center of the circle. So AOB will be the central angle. Since O is the center of the circle, AOB will be the central angle. AOB is given as 60 degree. AOD is given as 60 degree. So AOD is same as AOB, that same angle, no. So we can replace that AOD as AOB, that is BOA is equal to 60 degree. This BOA is equal to 60 degree, that is it lies in the segment AB. This segment BOA lies in the segment AB. So ACB, or we can read it as BCA, angle BCA also lies in this segment AB. So what about this connection with this central angle? This is 60 degree. BOA is 60 degree. So angle BCA will be 30 degree, since angle at the center of the circle is twice the angle at the circumference. That is angle BCA is 30 degree. BCA is 30 degree. That BC, angle BCA, we can write it as angle BCD also, that angle C. So either we can write BCA or angle BCD is 30 degree. Consider triangle BCD. Sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. We have angle BCD is equal to 30 degree. Angle BDC is 100 degree from the question. We can find out angle DBC. So this angle we got it as 30 degree. This angle 100 degree. So how can we find angle DBC? Sum of angles of a triangle 180 degree. So 30 plus 100 plus angle DBC is equal to 180 degree. From there we will get angle DBC is equal to 50 degree. Look at DBC. DBC is same as angle OBC. So since DBC is 50 degree, we can write angle OBC also as 50 degree. That is your answer. Question number 16. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which angle DAC is equal to 27 degree, angle DBA is equal to 50 degree, and angle ADB is equal to 33 degree. Calculate angle DBC, angle DCB, angle CAB. So given 33, 27, 50. Then since angle DAC is given as 27 degree, that is in the segment DC, we can write angle DBC also as 27 degree. That is angles in the same segment are equal. Similarly, given angle DBA is given as 50 degree in the segment DA. We can write it as DCA also as 50 degree in the same segment. That is angles in the same segment are equal. Also angle ADB is given as 33 degree in the same segment. Which one? AB. The same segment ACB also will be 33 degree. Since angle ADB is given as 33 degree, we can write ACB also as 33 degree because they lies in the same segment AB. Next, angle DCB will be DCB. Consider this angle. DCB will be the sum of which two angles? Sum of DCA and ACB. These two sums will be the angle DCB. We know angle DCA as 50 degree and ACB as 33 degree. Now only we proved. Substitute that values. So you will get the value of angle DCB as 83 degree. Angle DCB as 83 degree. Since here it is 50 degree and here it is 33 degree. So 50 plus 33 which is equal to 83 degree. Next, consider triangle ABC. Consider triangle ABC. So sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We can write these three angles sum will be 180 degree, that is CAB plus angle ABC plus angle BCA is equal to 180 degree. CAB as CAB itself we can write. ABC we can split it into two. ABC we can write it as ABD plus angle DBC. Why? Because we have these two angles, separate angles we have. So instead of ABC we can write it as angle ABD plus angle DBC plus BCA we have. BCA we got it as 33 degree. So that value you substitute here as 33 degree. Angle CAB plus, we know angle ABD is 50 degree. Angle ABD is 50 degree. So we can replace that 50 degree. Also angle DBC, first part we proved angle DBC as 27 degree. That also we want to substitute here. So that is 50 plus 27 will be the total angle ABC. So 50 plus 27 we got. Then plus 33 is equal to 180 degree. So adding this, angle CAB will be 70 degree.